Welcome back. Well, a mixture of clouds, a little sun out there, and a few showers. Let's go ahead and take a look at our tower cam here. And again, we have what, if you're an aviator, we would call layered clouds. We have some high clouds, mid-level clouds, and lower level clouds. Some producing showers out there. So let's get to the radar satellite composite. And we have this area of low pressure up here by Oklahoma, trailing cool front and showers and storms, even a tornado watch in effect till 7 o'clock this evening for eastern Texas, extreme northwest Louisiana, and that's where the storms have been busiest, from Louisiana into Arkansas. And then you see some very intense storms between the Buffalo area, that's north and east of the Waco area, over toward Lufkin, and then as we get up to we'll call it the Ark-La-Tex, and again a few showers close to home, but there's not a whole lot going on. A few isolated showers down by we'll say Freshwater City, Intercoastal City area at shower producing some nice downpours, and we've had a few around and about this afternoon. Should have a few more overnight tonight. Now, the Storm Prediction Center does have us hatched in I-10 corridor for a marginal risk of an isolated severe storm. I-10 on northward, a slight risk, maybe a storm that could produce maybe damaging winds or an isolated tornado, but I would favor this most certainly up towards central, western, and northern Louisiana, not as much in Acadiana. As you'll see on the models, as we showed you earlier, we showed you the HERB model that shows a broken line of showers and storms. This is a graph model, but notice as it pushes on through, activity weakens. There may be some supercells to our west early this evening, but we do expect activity kind of fall apart, then maybe try to regenerate morning, early afternoon hours. We'll get into the lower 80s tomorrow. Front gets here as we head into drive time tomorrow, then breezy, cooler weather as we head into Wednesday morning. We'll be dipping down into the 50s. Wednesday looks great. Highs only in the 60s, lots of sunshine, and this high pressure sticks around through Black Friday. Look at this for Thanksgiving morning, right near 40, we think, or lower 40s for sure. In fact, here are the graph temperatures. Overnight tonight, we hug upper 60s to lower 70s, so that is way out of the realm of what's usual for the third week of into the fourth week of November. Lower 80s tomorrow. I'm going to hold it near 80 for a high, but then you see that cooler air coming in tomorrow night, and then Wednesday we stay in the 60s, and then Wednesday night down into the lower 40s and a few spots up towards Cenla, maybe northern portions of Acadiana, upper 30s, and it's going to be a few degrees cooler or colder for Friday morning, but I think we stay out of the frost zone with this little chill that's on the way. In the near term, it's going to be breezy and mild tonight, scattered showers, perhaps an isolated storm, and that low-end severe weather risk. We'll keep an eye on that and the radar trends. Chance of getting wet, about a 50-50 proposition. Some folks don't get any rain, and then maybe a few showers early in the morning tomorrow, and then clearing for the afternoon. One last 80-degree day, and then we're done with them for a while, at least through the first week of December, likely beyond. May not see 80 again for the rest of the year. We'll see. But temperatures in the 60s. Beautiful weather for our Thanksgiving break. Clouding up, getting unsettled, and it looks even cooler, and some rain chances staying with us through the first week of December, with highs maybe in the 50s and lows mostly in the 30s and 40s. So some cool winter weather on the way, and hopefully some rain too.